Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to flash stock ROM on Samsung Galaxy A71. Okay, so first on our phone we need to open up the settings. Now scroll down until you find About Phone, then go straight into software information, and it's important because on Samsung phones we can only install the same stock ROM or newer version. It's impossible to install older version than our current version. In here we have the build number, and that's the version of our phone right in here. So it's A71 5FXXSBDXB1. We have the SB, that's the version of the bootloader. Actually that's the latest version, so I'll just show you how to reinstall it, how to flash it once again. So that's the 10th version of the 11th version of the bootloader. Actually B is, or it's 10, no matter. Simply we cannot install older version than this version. So once we know it, we need to power off our device. We need to hold power key and volume down and click on power off. Okay, in the meantime, on our computer we need to visit our page HardReset.Info, then go into download, and we need to download Samsung drivers. Type and click on search and download these drivers. Then go back and type Odin and download the latest version 3.14.4 and click on download. Then open up the downloads folder. Here it is, and we should have Samsung USB driver and our Odin. We need to extract those files. We can use WinRAR for it. Simply right click, select WinRAR and click on extract to. Same thing with Samsung drivers. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can right click and click on extract all and extract. Okay, once it's extracted, open up Samsung USB driver, and you need to install Samsung drivers. In my case it's already installed, so I won't do it once again. But after the installation process, in your case, I highly recommend to restart your computer so you'll have 100% sure that everything has been installed properly and all of the drivers will work. Okay, now we can launch our Odin. Select this file, click on OK. Okay, it can be opened for now. And we also need to download our stock ROM. Open a new tab, type SMA71 5F firmware. In my case I'm using that page, but as you scroll down you can see more pages. In my case this page works in the best way. So simply click on it, scroll down. I don't want for the India, so let's type it once again right in here. Okay, type your country. In my case I'll type Poland, and we have a few versions right in here. In my case I will download the XEO because that's the non-branded version of the phone. The rest of those files are branded phones, because in Poland sometimes phones are branded by the mobile operator and they have some extra apps. In here are those operators. We have Orange, T-Mobile, Plus and Play. In my case I have non-branded version, so I'll select XEO, then scroll down, and in here, as you could remember, we had the latest version, so that was SBDXB1, and just like I was saying before, we cannot download version older than the current, so we need to select our current version. Simply click on it, scroll down. In here you have three links from which you can download. I'll select SAMFW. Simply click. And click on download to start the process. In my case it's already installed, so go into downloads folder. You have this file, you also need to extract it, so right click, WinRAR or extract all, and extract it. Now, let's go back into Odin, and we need to select BL first, go into downloads, select the folder with our stock ROM, double click on it, and we have clicked on BL, so let's select the BL file, click on open, wait until it loads, then select AP, click on open. It's going to load a little bit longer because it's a big file. Oh, actually it's taking longer than I expected. Okay, now the CP, click on open, and now the CSC, and it's really important to select this CSC, CSC-OXM. Click on open. You need to remember that all of your data will be erased because, you know, we are flashing the stock ROM, so the phone will also perform a factory reset. Our phone will be fully cleared, and it will be like just opened from just like unboxed, like brand new phone. So have that in mind. Now we need to power and we need to turn on our phone in the download mode. We also need to have an USB-C cable that is also connected into our computer. Now we need to hold both volume keys at the same time. While we are holding them, we need to insert the cable into our phone, but don't release those buttons until you see a menu. So hold both volume keys at the same time, insert the cable, keep holding volume keys until you see this. It is really dark, but it's impossible to change its brightness. Now all you need to do is to click on volume up once, and now we are in the download mode. As we take a look in our Odin, well, we can see those numbers under ID COM. It means that our phone has been properly connected, and it's the Odin app simply sees our phone. Okay, and now all we need to do is to click on start. The process will now begin. It's going to take a little bit, so we just need to simply be patient. So I'll see you once the process is done. Okay, the process has finished. When you can see this green button that it says pass, it means that everything has been properly installed. We can now exit the Odin. We can unplug the cable from our phone. Now the phone will be turned on, and we'll have to go through the setup process. So I'll wait until setup process appear on the screen, and we'll go quickly through it, and I'll show you that everything went fine and that the phone is ready to use. Okay, as we take a look, the phone has turned on. We just need to select our language, then click on start. Select that to agree. For now, I'll skip the Wi-Fi setup because thanks to that, the setup process will be much faster. Okay, don't copy. Next. More. Accept. Skip. 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 Agree. Next. Finish. And as you take a look, our phone is fully ready to use. Everything works properly. We can open up the settings, the about phone, software information, and everything has been properly and successfully installed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.